Hello and welcome to this video in which we will look at 9 effective strategies for generating passive income in 2023. These ideas will provide you with actionable steps to achieve your financial goals, whether you are looking to supplement your income or create a consistent stream of cash flow. I am here to share my personal experience earning $20,000 per week from passive income. Yes, you read that correctly, $20,000 per week. It may sound too good to be true, but believe me, it is possible. And I will show you how I did it. But before we get there, it is important to define passive income. Money earned passively is money earned without actively working for it. It is a source of income that continues to flow even when you are not actively working. Isn't that fantastic? Let us take a look at the 9 most effective strategies for generating passive income in 2023. First one is real estate investments. It is a popular investment strategy that has grown in popularity over the years. Many people think of real estate investments when they think of owning a property and becoming a landlord. But it is much more complicated than that. Real estate investments can take many forms, with rental properties being one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. Investing in rental properties can provide you with a consistent monthly stream of rental income, which can be a great way to supplement your primary source of income. The best part is that you are not required to manage the property yourself. You can hire a property manager to handle everything from tenant screening to repairs and maintenance. But what if you lack the funds to invest in a rental property? Real estate crowdfunding platforms can help you with this. These platforms enable you to invest in real estate projects without owning the property. You can put money into a project and receive a percentage of the profits based on your investment. Real estate crowdfunding platforms are an excellent option for those who want to invest in real estate but lack the necessary resources. It is a way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn passive income without having to deal with the hassles of being a landlord. Real estate investments can be an excellent source of passive income. Whether you decide to invest in rental properties or use a real estate crowdfunding platform, you must conduct thorough research and make an informed decision. Second is dividend stocks. Let's talk about what it is. Essentially, these are stocks that pay out regular dividends to their shareholders. If you buy a dividend stock, you will receive a portion of the company's profits as dividends. Why should you think about investing in dividend stocks? The main benefit of this strategy is the ability to earn a consistent stream of passive income from dividends. Dividend stock, as opposed to other types of stocks, provide a more consistent source of income that can be reinvested or used for other purposes. Furthermore, dividend stocks are frequently issued by well-established and reputable companies with a track record of consistent profits and dividend payouts. This can provide investors with a sense of security and stability. It is important to note, however, that not all dividend stocks are created equal. Before investing, it is critical to conduct research and analyze the company's financial health and dividend history. Diversification is also important for mitigating risks and maximizing returns. Let us now move on to peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is an online platform that connects borrowers in need of funds with lenders looking to invest their finances. You can choose to lend money to individuals or businesses as a lender and earn interest on the loans you make. The procedure is straightforward. You open an account on a P2P lending platform, deposit funds, and select the loans in which you want to invest. You can choose the amount of money to lend, the interest rate to earn, and the length of the loan. Borrowers, on the other hand, can put the money they receive toward debt consolidation, home improvement, or starting a business. They repay the loan with interest over time, generating income for the lender. Peer-to-peer lending is an excellent way to diversify your investment portfolio while also generating passive income. It is also advantageous to both the lender and the borrower. So if you're looking for a new way to invest your money, peer-to-peer lending is something to think about. The fourth concept is to create digital products. Have you ever considered writing an ebook or developing an online course? You can sell your digital product online and earn money from it for years after you create it. One of the best aspects of digital products is that you can create them once and sell them again and again. For example, if you write an ebook, you can sell it on your website or through platforms such as Amazon for years to come with no additional effort. Likewise, online courses and software can be excellent digital products that generate passive income. Once you've created your course or software, you can sell it online and earn money without doing anything else. The fifth possibility for generating passive income is one you've probably heard of: creating a YouTube channel. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have the face for YouTube, or I don't have anything interesting to say. But believe me, that is simply not the case. With over 2 billion monthly active users, there is an audience for everyone. So how can you monetize your YouTube channel? There are several options. To begin, you can earn money from advertisements. Once you've established a following, YouTube will display ads on your videos and pay you a percentage of the revenue generated. Second, you can get sponsorships from businesses that want to promote their products. Companies may approach you to promote their products in your videos if your channel has a niche audience. Finally, affiliate marketing is an additional way to monetize your YouTube channel. You can earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique affiliate link by promoting products and services in your videos. And there you have it. Who knows? You might be the next big YouTube sensation. Now we will discuss the sixth concept, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing may appear to be a fancy term, but it is simply promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale generated via your unique affiliate link. It is similar to being a virtual salesperson, but without the awkward small talk. So, how exactly does it work? Assume you have a favorite brand of protein powder. You could sign up to be an affiliate for that brand, and they will provide you with a special link that will track all sales generated by your efforts. You then earn a commission every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. It's a win-win situation for everyone. The brand increases sales and you earn money without having to do anything. You may need to lift a finger to share your link, but you get the idea. So, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, do your homework and look for products that you truly believe in. After all, if you're going to promote a product, it should be something you believe in. Here's the seventh idea. Before anything else, do you have a car that is just collecting dust in your garage? If so, why not put it to use and make some extra money while you're at it? Renting out your car is an excellent way to generate passive income, and it is extremely simple to get started. First and foremost, ensure that your vehicle is in good working order. You do not want to rent a dud. Sign up for a car sharing service or list your vehicle on a rental platform once it is ready to go. There are plenty out there, believe me. You might be wondering who would want to rent my car at this point. The answer is simple. Anyone in need of a car. People rent cars for a variety of reasons, including vacations, road trips, special occasions, and even a day out of the town. But wait, what if something happens to my car while it's being rented out? Don't worry, most rental services provide insurance coverage for your vehicle while it's in use. And before you rent out your car, there are a couple of things you should consider. Make sure you understand the rental terms and conditions, including how much you'll earn and how long the rental period will last. It's also critical to build a rapport with your tenants. Maintain good car maintenance and be responsive and helpful. Repeat business and positive reviews from satisfied renters can help you earn even more passive income in the long run. Finally, keep track of your earnings and expenses from renting out your car for tax purposes. You don't want to be caught off guard when tax season rolls around. If you don't really use your car, consider renting it out to earn some extra cash. It is a simple and effective way to earn passive income while also helping others. Mobile app development is the next exciting opportunity for creating a passive income stream. Mobile devices have become an integral part of our lives as technology advances, and there is a high demand for mobile apps. Creating a mobile app may appear daunting at first, but it can be a lot of fun, with huge rewards. Consider creating an app that becomes an instant hit and earns you money for years to come. That is the allure of developing mobile apps. There are numerous resources available to help you get started, whether you are an experienced developer or a complete beginner. You can learn everything you need to know to create a successful app, from online tutorials to app development software. You can sell your app on the App Store once you've finished it, and your earning potential is virtually limitless. Lastly, do you want to earn passive income without actively managing your investments? Investing in index funds may be the best option for you. Investing in index funds allows you to profit as the stock market rises without the hassle of actively managing individual stocks. Index funds offer diversification, which reduces the risk of losing money in the market. Investing in index funds is simple and accessible to anyone, regardless of investment experience. Index funds can be purchased through a variety of investment platforms, and they frequently have lower fees than actively managed funds. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income from the stock market, index funds are a great option to consider. Simply sit back, relax, and allow your money to work for you. And now that you have learned the 9 most effective strategies for generating passive income in 2023, allow me to share my personal experience earning $20,000 per week through passive income. My journey began with the development of digital products such as ebooks and online courses. I created the products, marketed them online, and earned money from them for years. I then invested in real estate and dividend stocks to diversify my portfolio. As a result, I was able to generate a consistent stream of passive income from rental properties and dividends. I also started a YouTube channel and monetized it with advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This enabled me to reach a larger audience and earn more passive income. One of the most important lessons I learned on my journey was the value of diversification. I was able to mitigate risk and ensure a steady stream of income by diversifying my portfolio and income streams. I understand that earning $20,000 per week may appear to be an impossible task, but keep in mind that everyone's journey is unique. The key is to begin small and gradually progress. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a consistent stream of cash flow, the 9 effective strategies we have discussed today can assist you in reaching your financial objectives. I hope this video has given you the information and motivation you need to begin generating passive income and building financial security for yourself. Remember to start small, to be consistent, and to diversify your income streams. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.